Good morning. So you can share because she's passed out, and I think it's which year, Bhumika?
Ma'am, I passed the 12th in 2019.
2019. So she had been there from how long your journey had been there with me?
Ma'am, I think I started with you since like 6th or 7th standard, as far as I remember. 6th, as my
Okay.
mother tells me.
Okay. So 6th to 12th, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And how was the journey?
Ma'am, it was amazing, honestly speaking, because I never thought, to be very honest, when you think of English, you think like it's a very minor subject and it doesn't really affect you much in your score, not in scores. But when I joined you, I wasn't sure if I would be continuing with you. But as soon as I started, I was pretty sure that I'm going to be with you for the rest of my school life. And since I'm a practicing lawyer now, whatever English you taught me back then has stuck with me till now, and the confidence that I had with me in my spoken English classes, and when you used to make a stand up and just give us random topics, so it has definitely helped me in my spontaneity, because in court when you stand there you know have to be spontaneous in your speech. So
Thank
it
you.
has definitely helped me, and I would definitely recommend hence my sister is also with you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. So I would like to share certain things with you so that whatever we have forgotten, we can just get them back. Asto ma sadgamaya, tamso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityu ma mritam gamaya. It means मुझे असत्य से सत्य की ओर ले चलो, मुझे अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर ले चलो, मुझे मृत्यु से अमरता की ओर ले चलो. I think this was the prayer which we used to sing in our childhood. We didn't know the meaning of this great chanting, great mantra. But now, if we see that how strong it says that मुझे असत्य से सत्य की ओर लेके चलो, मुझे अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर लेके चलो, मुझे अमरता से मृत्यु से अमरता की ओर ले चलो. Beautiful, and that is the purpose of education. But what we are doing with education, we are taking education only as a source of livelihood, which is just a very small and minuscule part of our life. So, education is not meant for livelihood, it is meant for life. When you live your life fully, blissfully, then it is education. And I, Lalita Vashisht, advocate by profession, teaching by passion, and mentor by compassion, there to contribute a little bit in this journey. When I say about education, I feel that it is from the prenatal stage, that is in mother's womb, and then continues. This is the knowledge that makes our life, beautiful. Because once we become safal, but sufal is important. Now, what is the difference between safal and sufal? Safal is success. Every action has its equal opposite and equal reaction. What is Newton says, right? But when we say, of course, हम आज successful हैं, but क्या हम सुफल हैं? सुफल. It means जो हमें result मिल रहा है, क्या वो सु है? सुफल is that is really contributing us in living a better life. Most of the time, our report card values, ethics, and how to live. So I think education is meant for these, purposes to be fulfilled. Now the result has been out. Some parents, they are very, very happy. Some parents, they are a little bit in anxiety because the grade report card is not as what they had expected, isn't it? So I have a beautiful, actually, essay or article by a Hindu editor. I don't know who had written about it, but this is a beautiful article and I would like to share it with you. Let me share. Now this article says, this is for online, for offline I'm reading it. Father, dear father, a young boy writes a letter in reply to the one he has received from his father. Let us see what he has to say. Dear Papa, this is an answer to your letter about my transgression. Yes, my first rank slipped to the second. You advise that I should think before answering the papers. Yes, the operating word think did make me reflect, and these are the result of those reflections. Father, we have never really been close, and I cannot rightly say you have been my friend, philosopher, guide. Yet, I would like you to be aware of my thoughts. They are very important to me. You are highly educated and you provide very well for the family. But in your department store, do you apply Pythagoras theorem or Newton's law of gravity? For the matter, does your doctor friend or your lawyer brother? Papa, my grandfather speaks of a carefree and beautiful childhood, of days spent on plucking mangoes, guavas from their orchards, of picnics on the banks of the river, or the men cooked mouth-watering food, or playing marbles and gilli danda. From his talk, it seems studies were an ancillary subject. Ancillary means just only extra, supplementary. And living and experiencing the major subject. Father, is he fibbing? It means, is he telling lies? Or is it possible that the world has turned topsy-turvy in just 70 years? Papa, my grandmother is semi-literate. Yet she is at peace with her pots, pans, her flowers and gardens, her Bhagavad Gita and scriptures. My mother highly qualified. Grandmother is semi-literate and mother is highly qualified, is highly strung, tense and nervous. Do you think education makes us restless, afraid and frustrated? Oh, Papa, last week my rose plant almost died. Some pest. I asked my biology teacher what I should do to save it, and she was cross. Cross, you understand? Annoyed. Right. She was annoyed. Some mics are on. Please turn it off. Yeah. Oh, Papa, last week my rose plant almost died. Some pest. I asked my biology teacher what I should do to save it, and she was cross. So whenever we go to the teacher, sometimes teacher doesn't answer and gets annoyed. She was cross. She said, go ask the guy who keeps gardening things. He'll tell you. We learn about pesticides, but we don't know how to use them. Oh, Father, it matters not to me why the apple does not fall upwards. Nor do I care what Archimedes did. What matters to me is that rose plants remains healthy. That is the childhood desire. When there is fuse in my house, I should know how to do something about it. I should know how to make a desk for myself from my carpenter's tool. Instead, I learn about hypnosis. What is that? Actually, some word is there in mathematics. Relations, square roots, etc. Papa, once I asked my grandmother how she got to be so wise. Do you know what she said? By living and experiencing, which is missing in today's AI world. Living and experiencing. And she laughed as though I had asked something which was so obvious. Are we living, Papa? Or is life just passing by? What I fear is that if I were to meet Newton face to face, I would fail to recognize him. So busy am I learning about him. You know, just like that boy, we know is that award-winning film, he prattles on the hibiscus is red 100 times, but in his book, he colors it yellow. Are we missing out on the essence of life? Anyway, Papa, do you know where I lost that quarter mark that brought about my fall? It was fill in the blanks. I held that I was invited to tea. It was I was invited to tea, which was correct answer. My teacher was adamant that he was invited for tea. Preposition mistake, 2 and 4. A matter of grammar. And Papa, if he says George Bush is the president of India, it will have to be so. If he says the sun rises in the west, so be it. And if he says the earth is flat, it will be. It will be, my Papa, at least on my answer papers. My first rank is at stake. You see, still, my dearest Papa, I shall keep your advice in my mind and try not to lose any quarter marks. As always, yours ever, obedient son, Rahul. Your eyes will not see this anguished plea. It's for the parents. Your eyes will not see this anguished plea. My father, this was only to lighten my overburdened heart. He wrote this letter just to lighten the overburdened heart. It's not all arteries and muscles. At least I feel it so. This is a newspaper article from the Hindu. This is what the essence which I wanted to convey through this orientation. Once you come over here with me, I think it's not only about English, invited to tea or invited for tea. It's more than that. And I believe that education has to be taught, learned, or we have to grow with this aptitude and attitude. This is very important. Now, actually, it's 11:25, and today there is a real surprise because I have my 25 years old parents. I am celebrating my silver jubilee with you. And first, I would like Mrs. Ravi. She has been there, I think, for the last 25 years. 20 years, I think, ma'am. Her children, her 3 children, Simran, Harmeet, and Neet, they have been there with me, and now they are well settled in Canada. So, ma'am, I am just pinning you so that everyone can see it, and I would like you to share some important, precious moments, and that the journey, your journey with me, or my journey with you. It's a vice versa, right?
I think yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, 23 or 24 years back.
24 years back.
सिमरन ने और हरमीत ने ज्वाइन किया था आपको, और मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत अच्छा. ललिता मैम जैसी कोई नहीं.
Exactly.
एंड मेरे बच्चे आज भी अगर इंडिया आते हैं तो उनकी एक लिस्ट में ललिता मैम का नाम होता है कि मैम से मिलना है. उनकी स्कूल टीचर्स भी हैं, ट्यूशन टीचर्स और भी हैं, बट एक ललिता मैम का नाम सबसे ऊपर है कि उनसे हमें मिलना है. तो मतलब नो वर्ड्स मेरे लिए, जो भी मैं बोलूंगी वो बहुत कम है मैम के लिए. तो इंग्लिश की मुझे कभी भी टेंशन नहीं रही कि मैंने बच्चों को घर में पढ़ाना है या उनको देखना है. कभी भी नहीं देखा मैंने मैम के पास भेजने के बाद कि जो करवाया मैम ने करवाया है.
It's been I was at Pratap Bagh when you used to send your children.
Yes. मैंने अशोक विहार से अपने बच्चे प्रताप बाग भेजे हैं मैम के पास, और मेरे ख्याल से मेरे बच्चे फर्स्ट हैं अशोक विहार के, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स हैं अशोक विहार से.
और मैम मुझे अशोक विहार ले गई.
मैम को हमने लेके दिया यहाँ पे फ्लैट, की हमें दूर ना जाना पड़े.
So nice.
तो मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. बाकी बच्चों का भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है जिनको भी भेजा हमने मैम के पास. तो आज भी मेरे बच्चे ललिता मैम को तो याद करते ही हैं.
Simran ma'am, what Simran and all the three kids they are doing in their life?
सिमरन तो अपना बिजनेस कर रही है बहुत अच्छा. एंड हरमीत इज अ सीनियर मैनेजर इन सफोरा. नीत इज ऑल्सो गुड.
Yeah, all
हाँ.
three of them they are settled there. Yeah.
हाँ, ऑल थ्री इन कनाडा. और बहुत मिस करते हैं मैम को. और अगर मेरे ग्रैंडसन इंडिया में होते तो ललिता मैम से ही पढ़ते हैं. ये तो मैंने सोचा हुआ था कि अगर वो इंडिया में होंगे तो ललिता मैम से ही पढ़ेंगे.
Time clash करता है, otherwise we would definitely take them because Canada and India का time बहुत ज़्यादा
यस
clash
यस
है.
यस डेफिनेटली.
That's
हाँ 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 हाँ.
that is why we are not able to have.
बाकी मेरे बच्चों की फ्रेंड भी है ललिता मैम और टीचर भी हैं.
Thank you, ma'am. This is more important, ma'am.
यस,
This is very
दिस इज
important.
मोर इम्पोर्टेंट कि मैम फ्रेंड भी हैं. और डिसिप्लिन से मैम ने बहुत अच्छा बच्चों को मेंटेन किया कि डिसिप्लिन इज फर्स्ट. तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड बहुत 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 बढ़िया.
Thank you. Thank you.
आई एम 100+ सेटिस्फाइड.
Thank you. और ये आज सरप्राइज था. ये क्योंकि हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी उस टाइम पे कि हम मैम के और अपने ब्यूटीफुल रेटिंग्स को काउंट कर सकें. सो आई थॉट लेट्स नॉट let's try this thing today at least. We can have this kind of a thing when this world is asking me, ma'am, where is your website, right? What is your rating? So they have their queries. So at least I have these. That is why I have just asked some time from ma'am to express or to share her experiences with me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All the best for new students.
Thank you. Thank you. We
Okay, ma'am.
have Gitanjali Malhotra ma'am. Gitanjali Malhotra ma'am. मैंने शायद आपका नाम कभी लिया नहीं, right?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. मैंने तो आपका नाम ऐसे जपा है जैसे भगवान जी का नाम जपते हैं. मेरे बच्चों के लिए तो मैं पर्सनली जो फील करती हूँ, मेरे बच्चे तो और भी ज्यादा ऊपर आपके लिए फील करते हैं. वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता है. मेरे बच्चों की तो इंग्लिश की तो बात ही बहुत अलग है कि उनका तो आपने लेवल ही अलग कर दिया, सोचने का, समझने का, अपनी बातों को जो वो जो फील करते हैं उसको इस ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज में कितने अच्छे से बताना है, वो भी आपने सिखाया. तो मैंने तो बहुत नाम लिया आपका. फिर तो पूरी फैमिली आपको जानती है कि ललिता मैम.
We have, I think so, हमारा 2006 से 2024 तक रहा. And all the family, not only मैम के 2 बेटे, उसके बाद the other sister-in-law.
यस,
Right?
मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ के दोनों बच्चे, मेरी फ्रेंड्स के बच्चे, सारे मेरे को अप्रोच करते थे कि ललिता मैम के पास प्लीज किसी तरीके से बच्चों को हमारे, क्योंकि आपके ग्रुप थोड़े जैसे टाइमिंग या भर जाते हैं जल्दी, तो मेरे को अप्रोच किया जाता था कि ललिता मैम को कह दो एक बार कि हमारे बच्चे को ले लें. क्योंकि मेरे बच्चों की पर्सनैलिटी में बहुत फर्क आया था. विशु तो शायद 4th में था और विजय को तो मैंने बहुत ही अर्ली डाल दिया था, क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी कि जो विशु में फर्क आया है मेरे बेटे विश्वा में, वो विजय में स्टार्टिंग से ही वो चीजें आ जाएं. तो विजय तो बहुत जल्दी आ गया था. बट मुझे मालूम है कि विशु थोड़ा हेजिटेंट था पहले, लेकिन आपके साथ रह के उसने पोइट्री स्टार्ट की, अपनी बातों को, आज वो कनाडा में है, लेकिन जिस ढंग से वो अपनी बात को एक्सप्रेस जितना डिसेंटली करता है, जो उसकी वोकैबुलरी है, जो उसके वर्ड्स हैं, वो कानों को इतने अच्छे लगते हैं सुनने में. जो लोग भी सुनते हैं वो भी कहते हैं यार इसके वर्ड्स बड़े अच्छे होते हैं, इसका लहजा बहुत अच्छा है. तो मैंने तो नहीं, आप ही ने सिखाया, मैंने नहीं सिखाया. तो मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि आपके पास आने से एक इंग्लिश नहीं, ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट, और इंग्लिश की वो क्या, मतलब सिर्फ आप, मुझे लगता है टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं पढ़ाते हो, आप अंदर कुछ डालते हो जो टेक्स्ट बुक से अलग है. कि मेरे मन में तो बहुत कुछ है आपके लिए. मेरे को मेरे तो अपने बच्चे, अब अगर ये रवि भाभी ने जैसे कहा कि अगर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन यहाँ होंगे तो फॉर श्योर मैंने तो सोच ही रखा है कि मेरे बच्चे वहीं जाएंगे. मेरा तो सबका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Vijay is there or Vishwa is there still?
विश्वा कनाडा में है, विजय अभी यहाँ इंडिया में है अभी। विजय
Hello, Vishwa. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
All good, all good. Today, see you have become a celebrity. You are a star today. At least in my orientation, you are a star. You are a celebrity.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
How's everything?
Everything nice, good, very nice. So I was just reflecting and I was just recalling the things, and I thought,
Whosoever is listening, like, hi everyone. But like, if you're worried about your like children like learning English, and don't worry about it. If your children are studying with, if your child is studying with Lalita ma'am, definitely just I don't know. I don't have words. I don't know how to put everything in words. But like for me, learning from her is like I still thank her that like she was there, and because of her, I'm on the place where I am right now.
thank you, thanks a lot, thank you. Now we have actually Khushi and Deshna, the students. We have students Khushi and Deshna together, the sisters. Yeah. What are you doing? And your journey with me.
Sure, ma'am. I'll just go first. So my name is Khushi and I joined Lalita ma'am in 7th class and went up till 12th. And again, no words to describe the journey, but I'll just try my best. Firstly, in terms of English, I would say that everything is covered, everything and more is covered because English as a language is evolving as well. And we need not only just writing answers in classes, but we need that we can speak English in front of everyone. We can speak it with confidence. We can write. I found that writing, especially in storytelling and all of that, I found a lot of difference when I started with these classes. I used to hate it. Speeches, stories, reports, notices, everything. I never used to like it. And I was like, why do they don't even give us marks in this? Because somewhere or the other, there used to be a mistake in that. But Lalita ma'am just improved it so well that I was scoring so well in this that I really found that I have a passion for writing, which is
And you
very, very
scored,
different. I
what was
never
your score? Sorry, interrupting you.
no
In
worries.
class.
So I was scoring not well when I was in 7th class. My bases were very, very bad. And in 10th, out of nowhere, I scored 98 out of 100. And I was shocked. I never not seen that score. Lalita ma'am, I think one of the highest score. It was the highest score in that time. Yeah, in 10th boards. And my mother was so happy that, I mean, marks do not matter again, but it was good to see that there was some qualitative achievement as well. And in, I think, 12th also, I scored 95 out of 100. So the score was great. I was very happy with the score. But more than that, I'm very happy with the relationship that we have built. She is not only a teacher, but a mentor for me. I last year also, when I was, in deep trouble or some stress, I can call ma'am and she will always, motivate us, leave us with something. And that matters to me. No teacher goes that much beyond. And again, the group, the students that we had, everybody was so engaging. English used to be a subject for me where I don't have to stress. I just come to the class, do whatever ma'am says. She even keeps us for 2-3 hours, say you sit there and you do what you want to do. Study English there only. One stress was that I don't have to worry about this subject. I can focus on others because this is sorted here. That's the most beneficial thing, I think, because English is one of the most scoring subjects if you study it well. It doesn't require that much time, and you can just do what you have done in classes, revise it, and go and write the exam. So that is a really good part about this. And I then my sister also joined English, and I think you want to.
So Didi joined in 7th, and as soon as mom saw the difference in her personality, not just English, but even in other skills as well, like speaking and even in good values that ma'am has instilled in us. Like ma'am has taught us humility, she has taught us honesty, she has
And
taught
every
us
day we used to have a gratitude, I think. Gratitude. Ma'am used to think about all the things you have gratitude
yeah,
for.
there was a time where we would say things like, ma'am, I'm grateful for this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, used to do so many fun activities in class that missing one class would be like missing on an experience. So I would never miss ma'am's classes. And I joined in 6th up till 12th. That was the limitation. It was only till 12th. Otherwise, I would still be with ma'am. And it's my birthday today as well. But I was like,
Oh, all the very, yeah, all the heartiest wishes to you.
but I was like कि नहीं मैम का mentorship है तो I have to join in and I have to share my journey because if I don't even remember कि मम्मा ने कितने सारे मेरे friends को मेरे cousins को Aru used to study from Ahmedabad and कितने लोगों को join कराया because इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है कि मम्मा वांटेड टू शेयर इट विद एवरीवन एंड people used to talk to us and they would say कि यार आपके बच्चों की इंग्लिश क्या आपके बच्चों के वैल्यूज इतने अच्छे हैं एंड मम्मा सीधा यही कहती थी कि ललिता मैम के पास जाते हो उनको सिखा देती है जो और ये वहीं से सीख के आते हैं देयर वाज इवन अ 1 month प्रोग्राम आई रिमेम्बर जो मैम की सिस्टर ने दुबई से आके कराया था हमें दैट वाज जस्ट ऑन गुड वैल्यूज कि मैम ने सेल्फ एस्टीम के बारे में सिखाया एंगर मैनेजमेंट के बारे में सिखाया मैं वही मेरे को मैम ने पर्सनैलिटी वाइज इतना ग्रूम करा कि इंग्लिश तो हमेशा सॉर्टेड रही बट आई ग्रू एज अ पर्सन एंड मार्क्स वाइज ऑल्सो मेरे 12th बोर्ड्स थे तो आई स्कोर्ड 96 on 100 एंड इन 10th बोर्ड्स आई स्कोर्ड 95 मार्क्स तो मम्मा को कभी टेंशन होती ही नहीं थी कहते इंग्लिश इनको मेरे को देखने की जरूरत नहीं है एंड आई एम रियली रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू मैम एंड यस दीदी जैसे कहते हैं कि कभी भी नीड होती है हम मैम को कॉल कर लेते हैं कि मैम ऐसा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है वी स्टिल गो टू मीट मैम ने जो मुझे रजिस्टर दिया आई स्टिल केप्ट इट एज अ मेमोर दैट आई डोंट वांट टू थ्रो इट एवर
we'll pass it on.
विल पास इट ऑन और टू माय किड्स मैम जब तक पढ़ाएंगे तब तक आई विल कीप इट विद मी माय कजिन्स
No,
एवरीवन
I also look back it because I have competitive exams. I look back to that register because it is something that I can just revise
अभी
on a quick.
परसों ही आई वाज सीइंग कि कैसे लिखते हैं वो कवर लेटर ऑफ जॉब एप्लीकेशन और अब रेज्यूमेस बनाने पड़ रहे हैं इंटर्नशिप के लिए मैम के वो वही नोट्स अभी भी याद आते हैं वही खोल रही हूँ वही पढ़ रही हूँ कि कैसे लिखते थे हम एंड वही एक लाइन इतना डिफरेंस बना देती है मैम की इंग्लिश वर्ड्स का कि मतलब पूरा लेटर उसी से सॉर्टेड होता है आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू मैम
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And I'm really thankful to you and have a great gratitude. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May your life always filled with all the blessings and pleasures and the choicest things in the life. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. So actually, it's integrated one. What I contributed is very less. Our personality is multidimensional and so many factors they contribute. So what I contributed in their personality is just only one-sided. The family values, the parents, everyone. Yes, of course, when we can say the part of the life that is the teenager, that has to be in the good hands. When it is in the good hands, obviously, besides marks, the growth is exponential. We can say बहुत अच्छे से ग्रूम होता है बच्चा और वो संभल जाता है उसकी जड़ें बहुत deep rooted हो जाती हैं strong हो जाती हैं and it grows. We have now Gurjeet ma'am. I think with her we have 25 years. Ma'am, with you I'm celebrating my silver jubilee. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm saying that with you, I'm celebrating my silver jubilee.
हेलो एवरीवन नमस्कार जी कैसे हैं आप सब
All good, ma'am. It is there. How's the Josh?
बहुत
Very high. So we have to, at least we have to answer it's very high. Right?
Very high.
Very high.
very high.
Very high.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, would you like to share? Because I'm saying that I'm celebrating 25 years. I'm sharing 25 years with you.
Yeah, I am touching with you from the last 25 years from
Yes.
2001. Yeah. My daughter Manjot Kaur, Simranjeet Singh,
Yes.
दोनों ने आपसे इतना कुछ सीखा है कि आज वो किसी मुकाम पर है. I am very happy. उनको जो आपने गाइड किया है जो स्टडीज और लाइफ स्किल्स जो दिया है मैं आपका थैंक्स करने के लिए आई एम नॉट हैविंग अ वर्ड
Thank you.
टू थैंक्स यू
Thank you.
और जो मैंने भी आपसे सीखा है, अब मेरी लाइफ में इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि 2000 से जब मनजोत ने बिल्कुल वो थी तो उसको कैसे इनकरेज किया, कैसे आपने बच्चों को गाइड किया कि स्टडी के साथ अपने अपनी लाइफ को कैसे बनाना है, सिर्फ एक बोझ बन के पढ़ाई नहीं करनी, खुशी से पढ़ाई करनी है, वो उन बच्चों ने सीखा है और आज वो अपने पैरों पे दोनों खड़े हैं. माय डॉटर इज इन कनाडा एंड माय सन इज विद मी, ही इज डूइंग हिमालय franchisee. Is very happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
सबसे बड़ी बात है आपने जो बच्चों को सिखाया कि पढ़ाई को बोझ लेके नहीं, मन से पढ़ना है. उनको अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंस जो क्रिएट हुआ है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस जो मैंने देखा है ना बच्चों में, मैं नहीं बता सकती कि जो आज भी कि मनजोत का बिल्कुल फील्ड दूसरा था, वहां से वो इंग्लिश ऑनर्स एमए करके आज ब्रिटिश काउंसिल से करके वो कनाडा में बैठी हुई है. तो रियली आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू मैम.
Thank you, thank you, thanks a lot. कितना बड़ा ऑनर और ग्रेस गॉड हैज गिवन मी. आप मुझे बताइए कि दिस इज द वेल्थिएस्ट वुमन इन द वर्ल्ड, इन द यूनिवर्स आई एम. व्हाट एल्स?
रियली हम तो ये चाहेंगे कि भगवान आपको और से और आपके हाथों से इतने बच्चे जाए जो कहीं खड़े होके कुछ कह सके.
थैंक यू, थैंक
जो
यू.
आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, बच्चों के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस डाल रहे हैं, बच्चों में एक विश्वास है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. रियली
Thank
मैं
you.
आपको
Thank you.
नमन करती हूँ.
Thank you. Thank you. I also bow in front of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye, ma'am. This is the humility. This is not my contribution at all. Please don't come under this kind of influence. I don't want to brainwash you. Right? This is nothing. But the thing is that this is humility. This is humility. And I think this kind of energy, when you get it around you, what else you want from the Almighty? Now let's go with the academics one. In the academics, I would like to tell you, as far as the academic is concerned, for the new parents, those who are existing parents, they know my pattern. For the new parents, first of all, we have already allotted the days and timings. So those who are offline, they have to come in time. They have to maintain the proper registers and do all the work. As far as the online, because the classes are hybrid, so online parents, they have to see the connection is good. Again, the connection as well as their videos are turned on. You have to give the conducive environment to the students so that their classes are not hurt, in any way. They are not, disturbed. This is important. We share sheets and assignments. Then we give a lot of practice that you can see my whole almirah that is filled with so many sheets. I think aap logon ke paas bhi jo existing parents and they know about it. So many sheets I distribute. We have regular tests and assignments. And then we have a quarterly performances and awards. If the students, they score very good and they show the improvement, we award them, we encourage them, which is very, very important. A word of just appreciation and encouragement can really bring the spark in the child, isn't it? जब उस बच्चे को बोलता है कि हाँ मुझे अवार्ड मिलना है, चाहे वो एक पेन है, एक डायरी है, but that contributes in the personality of the child. उसको लगता है yes, of course, I have done something great, I have done something really good, and that is very much required. We have regular classes, attendance, every kind of communication is through we have a WhatsApp group only. All the messages are sent. All of you are requested to read and acknowledge the messages, because these are not good morning messages which you can avoid. You have to read them. You have to see if the classes, any postpone, any messages there, any kind of a rescheduling is there, or all kind of, when we talk about it, all kind of messages are conveyed through the groups only. In class, till class 8th, we don't cover the literature part. We cover A, B, C, that is reading, writing, and grammar. but we don't cover the literature part. For classes 9th to 12th, we do cover literature part too, right? And in literature part, we read the chapters, we make them understand. We don't cram, we don't go for the rote learning. Why? Because according to the new education policy, what is required? Understanding. Different kind of questions are given there, and the questions, when these kinds of questions are given, the students, they should understand and they should write on their own. This is what we do. And for class 10th and 12th, especially for the class 10th and 12th, we cover the syllabus, we complete the syllabus in the month of, till the month of October. Means October, our syllabus, the whole syllabus is completed. From November onwards, we start the practice papers, mock test, and revision classes. Now, if this is frequently asked question, if your child is absent for any reason, for example, you're traveling. So if you're traveling, then online, right? And for any case, for any reason, the class is missed. It's not, the student is not attending the class, absent, not well, or for any other reason, you have to go somewhere. In that case, the class will not be compensated, but of course, the sheets, you have to check your group, and in the group, the sheet will be shared. The student has to do that task and submit it later. It will be checked, and if we see this topic is not clear, we will explain it again. We will explain it again, right? And most of the time, we repeat the topics. Because one class, or I think 6 months, the topic is not clear. It is repeated. Once it is done, we do it again. Then we do it again. So we don't want any panic. And for all of you, what is a humble request? Don't panic. I think it's important to have faith. And, this is basically faith development. जो आज की वीडियोस आपके साथ में शेयर किए हैं और एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए हैं, वो फेथ डेवलपमेंट के लिए किया हुआ है. ठीक है ना, कि आपके अंदर थोड़ा सा फेथ आ जाए, कि परेशान ना होए आप कि अच्छा क्या होगा, कितने मार्क्स आएंगे एग्जाम में, ये टॉपिक रह चुका है, ये टॉपिक रह चुका है. आप जस्ट मुझे इंडिविजुअली मैसेज कर दीजिए कि मैम दिस इज देयर एंड प्लीज सी टू इट, विल कवर दैट. This syllabus and UTs. As soon as you get the syllabus, assignment sheets or UTs, please, UT syllabus, that is in somewhere it is first term, somewhere it is assessment, or whatever the different names. Any exam is there, any test is there, send me the schedule in advance. As soon as you get it from the school, just forward it. Right? If you just forward this one, at least I can come to know about it. Oh, this chapter is left, or this particular topic is left, so I should cover it. So I'll see to it. I'll make my register, and I'll just jot it down there, all the points that this one is left. This student has not completed this one. See, we cannot work under stress. Some stress is important. That is, the stress is regular classes only. क्लासेस मिस नहीं करनी, ये स्ट्रेस इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? डिसिप्लिन इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट अननेसेसरी कि ये नहीं हुआ, इसके 2 मार्क्स कम आ गए हैं, इसका हाफ मार्क कम आ गया है, वो शायद किसी भी वजह से हो सकता है. अभी रिसेंटली, आई वुड नॉट नेम द स्कूल, इन अ स्कूल द स्टूडेंट डिड नॉट आंसर द कंप्लीट स्टेटमेंट. उसने सिर्फ ट्रू और फॉल्स लिख दिया. दैट वाज द आंसर. द मार्क्स वर डिडक्टेड. So the mother was very much worried. मैंने कहा मैम क्या फर्क पड़ता है? There is no problem, because you cannot just go and prove it. See, it's important that your child has learned. अगर उसने आज नहीं सीखा, वो कल सीख जाएगा. बहुत टाइम है. We have lot of time about it. No? So it is not there कि एक particular marks के लिए आप worried रहे. लाइफ में बहुत सारे रोज ही टेस्ट होते हैं, तो बहुत सारे टेस्ट पास करने होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा टेस्ट. Right? So don't worry and don't panic. We will cover each and everything. The important part is that you send your children, send your kids in time. This is important. Late is not allowed, because we are very punctual about it. Classes to be scheduled for 2 days. you know that 2 days, or if it's a 10th class, it's every Sunday, right? So according to the time, according to the schedule, you have to just set it. And this is the only humble request. Now, any question, any other query that you would like to ask? This is your time now.
Yes, just would like to know when will be the first class for 10th standard?
Ma'am, which course?
Ma'am, he's in Prudence, so I think it's B.
Yeah, okay. So this is on this Saturday, the Sunday, 5th of
Yes.
April, ma'am.
5th and 5th, yes, of course.
Any other query? Any other question? Okay, then we can conclude this today's meeting. And thank you. Thanks a lot. That was the only thing. Let's see the journey. How this is 365 days. Not exactly. We have to just only a phrase, right? We have to go about it, right? How many days we are going to have it? Because once they are connected, it means 2 days classes. We are not calculating about 2 days classes. We are calculating they are connected with me at least for the next session, right? That's more important. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm really
Thank you,
thankful
ma'am.
to all
Thank
of
you so
you
much.
because without you, I cannot be there. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. It's in Delhi 25 years, otherwise it's 35 years. Yeah. In these parents, I'm with the 25 years, but teaching experience is 35 years.
Oh, that's really a long time.
Yes. So every day, then also today, I feel that I'm still evolving, I'm still learning. And every day, because this was the question asked by my student itself, कि मैम हमेशा पढ़ा पढ़ा के आप बोर नहीं हो जाते हो, एक ही चीज पढ़ाते रहते हो? मैंने कहा नहीं, एक चीज पढ़ाती हूँ, लेकिन every time the student is different, the energy is different, every day is different. Every day don't you say, oh दोबारा से sun आ गया, वही sun है, वही flower है, वही roses है. So beautiful things, they are joy forever. So when I see my beautiful faces of my children energy, that gives me eternal joy. So this is why this energy is always there.